$19,000 a day for a boring business. Or is it just clickbait math? The claim is a simple couch removal site ranking in Google and dispatching haulers like Uber. Today we're breaking down the reality check. That model is real, but the money isn't a glitch. It's volume, SEO, and operations. Let's do the math. $19,000 a day is roughly $694,000 a month. At a $250 average ticket, that's about 76 jobs every single day. Across the whole US? Possible. In one city? No. And profit isn't revenue. If you charge $250 and pay a hauler $150, you gross $100. After refunds, support, and overhead, your real margin might be 20 to 40% if you run it tight. The secret isn't couches, it's the playbook. Pick a high-intent service keyword, build city pages at scale, and rank locally to convert leads. The big risk? Subcontractor failure. One bad pickup equals one-star reviews, which makes your rankings drop and your revenue disappear. So yes, boring businesses can print money, but only if you treat it like a real operation, not a lazy website dream. This is Business Reality Check. We dissect the math, not the hype. Pinned question. Which niche would you trust more? Couch removal, dryer vent cleaning, or fire extinguisher servicing, and why?